Oh.
Tom was at the park. He was a yellow flower.
He saw
a rabbit. The rabbit had a carrot.
Number 1.
Check the picture that matches the
story. Ano daw dyan? Ano daw yung picture na match sa story?
Rabbit.
Very good. Number 2.
What did he was?
Ulitin mo.
He
see. Letter A. Ano A?
A flower and a rabbit. B. A dog and a flower. C. A rabbit and a ball.
Ano daw nakita niya? Letter
A.
Very good. Ano A? Ano letter A?
A flower and a rabbit.
Very good. Number 3.
What color was A?
The
flower. A red, B orange, C yellow.
Ano pong color?
C
Ano po yung C?
yellow.
Very good. Number 4. Where
was Tom Park?
Very good.